Hello, I am Siri from the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. Today, I just want to give you guys a quick update about a good news. I'm pregnant and I been trying for a long time and then it happened. If some of your subscribers been follow me for a long time ago, I will already know this thing. But for the new subscriber, they might don't know why I didn't post a recipe for a long time or be gone for a long time. This has happened. I have a good news. I'm getting pregnant and a little bit busy with my personal life. So today I'm gonna give you the quick update. I know my English is not perfect, so to help you understand, I will need some help from my cameraman or my baby daddy. So he will help to explain what's going on with our pregnancy, so it will be easy for updated everything with you guys. For the old subscribe, you will know this cameraman. He's my husband. You will already know his name, Joseph. But for the new subscriber, yes, this is my cameraman and my baby daddy.
Baby daddy and cameraman.
Yeah.
Started out as the cameraman, ended up being the baby daddy.
No.
Started out as the husband, turned into the cameraman, then became the baby daddy.
Yes, that's what it is. And yes, today we want to give you the quick update. So I just need your help.
Yeah.
Because I know my English is only.
Your English is fine. But so basically, the last year and a half, 2 years, we've been posting very irregularly. Maybe one video a month or one video every 2 months in some cases, or even more. And that's because we've been going through a in vitro fertilization process over the last 2 years, I would say. And it's been very taxing on Siri, both physically, mentally, and the medications that she was on was really draining all her energy. Plus, we both worked full time, and we're finding it hard to have time to come back and do what we loved in the kitchen, was making videos of her cooking and doing recipe development, and me filming and editing. So we want to give you guys this update to kind of show you where we're at and what's happening in the future of the channel.
I keep promise you, I know I keep promise you, but every time it's not easy. Trust me, it's not easy. I not want to give up my channel. I love whatever I do. I love cooking. I love making all the recipe, and I love talking to all my subscriber and answer the question, whatever my recipe, how to cook, how to do in the kitchen. I love all that thing. Trust me, but. Yeah. With having baby in this way with my age, it's little bit
yeah,
no, a lot difficult for me.
Yeah.
So this time I will be the, how to say in English, so commitment. It's commitment. Yeah, commitment. Yes. I would have to go back 100%. I know maybe the first couple months with my newborn baby might be a little bit difficult because I heard about the newborn baby will make me tired, but I still try because I don't have to work full-time job again, so I can be the full-time mom and full-time cooking channel. So I think I will do a lot better.
Yeah, and just to build on that there, yeah, it's very true. Like literally in the last 2 years, there hasn't been a single week that goes by where we look at each other and say, we haven't made a video. You know, what are we doing? Let's get back in the kitchen. And so we do it. We've been doing it irregularly, but like Siri said, and like I said before, it's just the IVF process and the schedule and the medicines that she was on. It really made things difficult. But looking forward, I mean, you can see it paid off. It took us 2 years to get there. And we had a couple of attempts that didn't work. We had one that we did get pregnant, but we lost the baby in the first trimester. And so this is almost our due date now. We're due for a C-section on February 10th. Yes. But there's a good chance that it may happen before that.
A lot of things happen to me. It's not easy. A lot. I have happy, I have lost, a lot of things. Sometimes I get everything ready for my recipe, but then I cannot do it because there's something going on. I buy the recipe and I create the recipe and I cannot make it.
Yeah.
Yes, because something going on.
And then even with this little girl, by the way, girl, in case you didn't notice all the pink, even with this little girl, it wasn't easy. She's been rough from day one. A lot of problems with the placement of the placenta, a lot of problems with the umbilical cord, and now problems with the amount of embryonic fluid. So they're monitoring Siri at the hospital or at her OBGYN 3 times a week. She's going every single week, and it's about a half hour away. So we're staying really busy on top of working full time and going back and forth to the doctor 3 times a week to get scans and checkups and stuff. Yes. We've been staying really busy.
Yes, forget to tell about that. Yes, I forget to tell. I had a difficult time to get pregnant, but then after I get pregnant, it's also not easy to because all my age and everything happened.
Yeah, because your age. How old are you now?
Can I say that?
I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't say it. I'm sorry. Maybe I put you on the spot.
No, I'm okay. I'm 38. I'm 38 years old.
38.
They're gonna be 39 this year.
Yeah.
So
you still look 25. Actually, I think you were 25 when we first met. I think, right?
About 26.
Yeah, because I was 35, I think, and I'm about almost 10 years old. I'm 36 almost. So I'm 46 almost. So.
Okay, and this is a black gown that you see is my baby shower. It's a girl, and being about like 4 days ago already, I keep this because I want to update with you guys. So that's why I keeping all these things. And you can see this is her name. Araya is her name, and some other little stuff like still here. Okay, and so just want to share with you guys our happiness and some.
So let's talk about the future then, because we talked about the past and we talked about what's going on today. And I don't know, did you get the sideways shot here?
Yeah, I did.
That's amazing.
Somebody say it's really showing, and somebody say it's not really.
I don't know.
Yeah,
to me, it looks like you're showing good.
Yeah.
But so let's talk about the future of the channel.
Yes, like I'm saying, I keeping promise.
That's right. We're not going away.
Yes, I continue my channel. I love whatever I do, so I'm gonna post more recipe. But maybe in the first couple months with the baby, you might see just a little bit. But I will try for that for sure, because it will be my full time doing. Yeah. So I will try a lot more.
Yeah. So I know there's some of you guys out there that are probably really new to our channel, and there's others out there that I know have been following us. We started 5 years ago, I think, with our YouTube channel, maybe 4.5 years ago. And I know there's some of you guys out there that have been with us from day one. And
thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And
thank you so much.
It really is something we love, and it's something that we're going to push hard for again. Once the baby's delivered, once we're home and settled. And Siri has, and I know she hasn't said it yet in the video, but she's even committed so much to the YouTube channel that she's quit her job, her full-time job. And she's going to be basically now taking care of the baby full-time at home and focusing 100% of her time that she would have been working at her regular full-time job in the kitchen on the Spoon Fork Heart channel for you guys. And I'm really excited to...
And also, if you want me to do something in the kitchen, you want something new, you can give me some idea. You want to see something new, or you want me to changing something, or you can also still request the recipe for me. I still want to doing that, and if you want me to do something extra special, just let me know. If I can, I will do. Yeah. So I guess worst case scenario, there's going to be maybe 1 or 2 small videos up between now and the next several weeks when the baby's born. I think 3 more weeks is our due date, so there might only be 1 video up after this before then. But just give us a month or so after the baby's born, and we'll get back in the swing of things. We'll have regular content for you guys again, and not leave me.
Yeah, don't leave us. Don't leave us. We won't leave you. We promise. We're not breaking up with you.
Yes. So.
Yeah.
What else?
What else? I don't know. I think that's it. I mean, just thank you guys, and just know that if you've made it this far and you're watching this part of the video, just know that what Siri does in the kitchen and what we post on YouTube, she takes it very seriously. It really is part of who she's become. It's part of her heart and her life. So she definitely appreciates all you guys as well as I do. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much for the subscriber, whoever subscribed me for a long time and be asking me what's going on, and I'm sorry. So yes, I'm so happy that I will come back to do this again and doing more whatever I love. So thank you, you guys, the new subscriber and the old subscriber. Thank you everyone to if who follow me on the Facebook or Instagram. They might see already a little bit of picture that I update sometime. But
Speaking of that, right? If you're not following us on Facebook or Instagram or oh, you don't have Twitter, no. You can follow Siri on her channels on Instagram as well as Facebook, and her website is spoonforkheart.com.
for be honest, I little bit low tech, so all this thing, technology and all the camera working or the video editors is come from here, the cameraman. He do all the amazing job for me, all the beautiful video, because he been helping me for a long time, so thank you.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that's
it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you next video soon. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Bye. All three of us say
Yeah.
bye.
Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.